Perfumers are specialists who create scents for things like perfumes, candles, cosmetics, cleaning products, and even food. They blend different ingredients, often called raw materials, to make unique fragrances. This job needs a very sharp sense of smell, creativity, and a good understanding of how different smells work together. Perfumers often work with companies to create new products or improve existing ones, and they might also test their scents to make sure they are safe and last a long time. A beginner perfumer might earn between £20,000 and £30,000 a year. With more experience, this can rise to around £40,000 or more. Highly skilled perfumers working for big companies or luxury brands can earn over £60,000 a year, and in some cases much higher. Pay can also depend on how successful their scents are and how much responsibility they have in a company. There isn't one set route to become a perfumer, but science subjects like chemistry and biology are very useful. Some perfumers study chemistry at university and then train with a fragrance company or go to a specialist perfume school. It also helps to take courses in cosmetic science or fragrance creation. Getting work experience or an internship in the fragrance industry is a good way to learn more and build contacts. A great sense of smell, patience, and a love of experimenting with scents are all key qualities.